Hi, I'm going to present our work, Draw Your Mind or DRUM, a new approach to personalized generation in text-to-image diffusion models. Our method personalizes text-to-image synthesis without fine-tuning by incorporating open-source text encoders. The key idea is to integrate user preferences such as style and texture directly within the latent space. This way, we can naturally satisfy individual demands while keeping the generation process simple and efficient. Personalization in T2I diffusion models has been explored through popular methods like Dreambooth and ControlNet. However, these approaches often require a high-level expertise, significant investment, and even high-performance hardware. In this regard, the goal of personalized generation is to naturally incorporate individual user preference into the generation process and to provide a satisfactory result without minimal user intervention. But most existing studies rely on large-scale models such as LLM or multimodal models to create personalized inputs. They mainly depend on prompt-level modeling, which brings two major problems. First, the limited token capacity of T2I diffusion models that restrict personalization. And second, the high computational cost of large-scale models. Therefore, the main challenges we address are accurate user profiling, going beyond prompt-level modeling, and integrating preference precisely into the generation process. Here is how DRUM works. First, we capture the user profile through causal references, which reduces the overhead of many prompts. Second, we integrate preference conditions directly in latent space through a lightweight cross-attention adapter. Finally, we apply an independent softmax per condition and classifier-free guidance, which allow us to control both the preference intensity and the personalization degree. This makes our method plug and play, meaning that no extra fine-tuning is required. Now, let's look at the experiment results. First, in the quantitative evaluation, our method outperforms baselines in both CLIP score and text alignment. Second, in the qualitative evaluation, we show several interesting cases. In particular, when we look at the preferred keywords of user 71263 along with the target prompt, we can see that DRUM effectively reflects the user's preference while maintaining context of the target prompt. For style transfer, DRUM successfully applies a user's preferred style to new prompt. For subject transfer, it adapts to different genres, such as movie styles. We also demonstrate how the degree of personalization can be smoothly adjusted from the target prompt to a reference prompt. Additionally, DRUM shows strong adaptability. As you can see in the figure, even when we use the same target and reference prompts across different T2I diffusion models, DRUM consistently produces personalized results. To conclude, we present DRUM, a condition-level personalization framework for T2I diffusion models. It introduces causal sampling for user profiling, a plug-and-play adapter for personalization, and requires no additional fine-tuning. We believe this is a promising step toward making T2I generation more personal, efficient, and creative. Thank you for listening. If you are interested, please check out our repository.